Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we're going to talk about staying, motivated during your Christmas or holidays period. I'm not going to dive into, sharing my screen on this one, so we'll just keep it, quick, conversation. I'm going to go over a few points. So before we do that, so if you're new to this channel, so again, here we talk about making money online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, and then also I do a bunch of product reviews. So if you like this channel, think it's a lot of value, I believe it is. So make sure you hit the like buttons on my videos, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. So make sure you do that. So what I wanted to talk about really is, staying motivated, staying focused during Christmas period. I think the first thing is, 2020 is right there. People are trying to establish a new routine and stuff, and it's probably the perfect time to set that in place. Do you want to change anything in your business for next year? Do you want to put other things in place? Do you want to change the way you run things, social media wise? So it's really time now to focus on that. One thing I would recommend, if you haven't done that yet, and I've been through that process recently, make sure you put a business plan up front. So go back again, see what happened during the year, see where it worked out for you, see where you're not so well, and then put that in writings, right? So include like a mission statement, your business, why are you doing that, right? And that could be another thing. And then start thinking about your goals for 2020 as well. Put that in place while you're doing your business plan. So you'd think about short-term goals, midterm goals, and then long-term, right? So you could probably include a lot of short-term goals will probably be for 2020 with your business, right? So I think that's probably the best time to think about that, put it on paper. And something I'm going to do as well is I built a PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm going to actually do a video to myself. So I'm not going to post that online or anything, but I'm just going to go through every slides. And then, so in like 3 to 4 months, 6 months, then I'm going to go back to it and see, okay, well, did that work out the way I wanted to? My strategies that I put in place. So I think that could be really powerful to keep you accountable. I think that's one thing that can be difficult, as, solopreneur, entrepreneur at home and stuff. Like, oh yeah, nobody has, I don't have anyone to answer to, but it really, in fact, would be to yourself. So, just, in order to stay accountable, put that out there, build a video or a PowerPoint presentation, Word document, or use Google if you don't want to pay for, let's say, Microsoft. Plenty of options open to you on this one, but really focus on your why I'm doing that, what do I want to implement this year, short-term, midterm, long-term goals, and then really start from there. Again, and at Christmas is perfect time to, you might have a bit more time, maybe more days off, maybe not if you're working. I'm still working, but, obviously still building that. And, I know, take a bit more time, with family and so on. But, again, if you're doing lives on Facebook, or if you're doing videos, so like, take, half hour or, 10 to 15 minutes to do a quick video that you can edit later, that sort of thing. So you can still progress, even though you're not like focusing that much into that. So I've recently, what I've done is I've looked into my domains and so on, see what I can do for next year. And then, there's times where I'm actually taking a few minutes to record videos that I can edit later, that I can keep. So, start building material whenever you have a chance, and it's really what's going to compound, long term, right? So yeah, that was pretty much it. I just wanted to keep it pretty short, maintain your focus, take that time to re-energize with yourself, take some time with the family and so on to be ready for 2020. And then, hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully it was a bit of value, offers, some principles to work around for 2020. And then again, if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and then also hit the bell icon to be reminded of upcoming videos. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.